The LCGP Thatch Rake is an exceptional tool designed to keep your lawn in top condition. With its heavy-duty construction and 50-inch stainless steel handle, this rake is built to last and handle tough tasks. The curved handle design is not only ergonomic, but also ensures that weight is evenly distributed, making it easier to use without causing strain to your arms or back. Equipped with 11 sharp curved steel tines, the rake efficiently penetrates the lawn surface, making quick work of removing dead grass, weeds, and fallen leaves. This helps to clear out debris and loosen the soil, allowing your garden plants to receive more air, water, sunlight, and nutrients. The rake's ability to effectively clean your lawn will contribute to a healthier, more vibrant garden. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the rake's metal construction that connects in 3 sections and is secured with spring buckles. This design makes the rake easy to assemble and disassemble, adding to its convenience for users. That LCGP stands behind their product with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind in case any issues arise. If you're looking for a durable, efficient, and easy-to-use tool for lawn maintenance, the LCGP Thatch Rake is a top choice that delivers on all fronts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.